Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. Listen to the video and subscribe. Today's topic is fasting. Fasting in the month of Ramadan. Ramadan is the ninth month of the Islamic calendar. It is the month in which the first 5 verses of the Holy Quran were revealed. It is a month of mercy and forgiveness. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, when the month of Ramadan arrives, the gates of heaven are thrown open, the gates of hell are closed, and the devils are put into chains. Fasting is in Arabic Sawm, which means to keep away from something. Fasting during the month of Ramadan was made obligatory for Muslims in the second year of Hijrat. This is a form of worship where to please Allah we give up eating and drinking and control ourselves from doing all kinds of wrong or evil actions. The discipline of compulsory fasting is observed once a year during the month of Ramadan. Fasting during the month of Ramadan is obligatory on all Muslim adults, male and female. Allah says in the Holy Quran in Surah Baqarah, verse 185, so every one of you who is present at home during that month should spend it in fasting. But if anyone is ill or on a journey, the prescribed period should be made up by days later. Fasting days are divided into 3 special parts of 10 days each. The first 10 days are for Rahmat, and dua for these days is Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyumu bi rahmatika astaghith. The middle 10 days are for Maghfirat, forgiveness, and dua is Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambin wa atubu ilayh. And the last 10 days are for Nijat, mercy from hellfire, and dua is Allahumma ajini minan nar. Before the azan of Fajr, there is a meal called Sehri, which is a sunnah of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. A supplication is offered after the Sehri. Wabisomi gadin nawaitu min shahri Ramazan. I intend to keep the fast for tomorrow in the month of Ramadan. We fast the whole day, abstaining from food and drink, offer our prayers regularly, and avoid any wrongdoing like quarreling, abusing, lying, and break our fast on hearing the azan of Maghrib. This is called iftar meal, and the supplication offered at that time is Allahumma inni laka sumtu wa bika amantu wa alayka tawakkaltu wa ala rizqika aftartu. O Allah, I have fasted for you and have faith in you. I depend on you and break my fast with the sustenance and food only you have provided for me. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, a supplication made to the Almighty at the time of breaking the fast will surely be granted by Him. In Ramadan, we offer a special salat called Taraweeh after Isha prayer. A special night is given by Allah called Laylatul Qadr. It is more blessed than 1,000 nights. Muslims stay awake the whole night and pray and recite Quran as much as possible. After the end of fasting, Muslims are rewarded with Eid as a gift from Allah. If a person does not abstain from telling lies or doing wrong when he is observing fast, let it be known to him that Allah does not want that he should stop taking his food. On another occasion, Allah says, fasting is for me, and I shall certainly compensate it. Fasting is a shield. So when the fasting of any one of you come up, he shall not utter wrong words. If then anyone rebukes him or fights with him, let him say, I am a man observing fast. Holy Prophet ﷺ said that there is an entrance to paradise named Rayyan, through which only those who fasted will pass. May Allah bless all the Muslims to have this fast and get reward. Thank you.